before we get in the video, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel and like the video because it helps out immensely. And also, smash that bell for future notifications. Here we are in the 1-year chart in the thinkorswim platform presented by TD Ameritrade. And if you weren't paying attention on Thursday of last week, then you probably don't understand what happened right here. Intel was down over 16%. And their earnings weren't bad, but the guidance was. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this chart. We'll take it on a 5-day, 5-minute just to show what happened. They reported earnings after the market closed. And as you can see, this is what they did in the day. And at the end of the day, they started dipping. And then this is what happened after hours. It opened up on Friday and went down some more. Looks like it got a little bounce, a dead cat bounce right here. But I'm not recommending this stock. At least you need to watch this for at least 3 days, and this goes into the 3-day rule. If you don't know what that is, basically whenever a stock has a horrible move like Intel just did on Thursday and Friday, continuing into Friday, typically it's going to drift lower for about 3 days. And the 3-day rule doesn't mean on the 3rd day buy. That means watch it and see. Now I'm going to be able to probably get close to where this stock may bottom at. And that's just from the technicals on resistance and support. So this was the gap, and we'll look at, this is what a gap looks like. That is a gap. It closed right here at like $60.38 and then opened up the next day at $52. So we got like an $8 gap right here. Another rule they say is all gaps must be filled. So eventually this gap will get filled, I believe. But there's going to be a little more pain before that happens. So just looking right here, if you look straight across, because we're right here, if you look straight across, I see some potential support at that bottom. But I don't think this, when I say that, is right here. That's not going to be it. I'm looking for it to continue to drift, and at about the 47, we'll say 47.50. If you look straight across, and I'm talking about this was back in July, August of last year. They met some pretty stiff resistance right in this area. So right at about 47.50. I think that Intel is headed to about in between 47 and 48, somewhere in that range. I think that is a potential buying point for Intel. But that's just my opinion. Do your own research and just follow this stock. I would not jump into Intel just yet, not unless you plan to hold it long term. And that's going to conclude this video, but look for that $47 to $48 range. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel, like the video, it helps out tremendously, and also smash that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.